So sa video na to, papalitan natin ng transmission fluid yung Toyota Vios o Toyota Yaris 2014 model. Papalitan tayo ng filter at magpapalitan tayo ng isang transmission. So yan, tara. So yan, gagamit tayo ng size 10 at size 40mm. So una, tatanggalin natin yung drain plug. So ayan yung langis ng transmission, maitim na siya. Ang regular na kulay nito is light or red, na red light na red.
You knew that I knew that I knew that I'd call you up. You've been go around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd be at one. I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine.
Grabe oh. So yan yung mga debris niya oh.
Itim, latak no, putik.
So yan yung indication na
Sobrang
busted na yung langis. May
ganyan,
burak na siya.
Ganyan, pagka sobrang 200, natakpan na yung magnet.
So over na to sa change oil. Tapos pag mag-change oil ka lang, mag-change lang ang langis ng transmission, mga 100,000. Enough na yan. Grabe. Kailangan linisan yung paligid ng palisan. So magpapalit tayo ng transmission filter. So tatlong lang yan, tatlong tornilyo na. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ipapalit natin from Toyota strainer assembly oil. So tatlong wire. Tatlo lang yung tornilyohin niya. Kaya mo, namitim na siya ng gusto. Compare mo dito sa bago. Okay. So guys, ito yun ha. Wala natin linisan. Yan na.
Putik.
Yan na. So guys, pagbalik natin ng oil pan, lalagyan natin ng silicone yung gilid para sa exhaust leakage.
Thinking about when you were mine, and now I'm all up on you. What you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of needing someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been go around.
So bago ibalik yan, make it sure na malinis yung gilid.
Please take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Your mom almost heaven, West Virginia, the rich mountain shall not do a river. Life is old and older than the trees, younger than the mountain, blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Ooh, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road.
Ilagay mo nga sa lagay mo sa tapakan mo yung brake ha. Lagay mo sa reverse. Dahan-dahan mo, pagkalawin. Kung kakagat. Drive. Up. Reverse. Okay. Diba? Reverse mo lang. Okay. Yeah. Reverse. Sige. Up. Pwesto dito. Abante. Up. Reverse ulit. Up. Diretso. Up.